Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Good to have you back here. So today I'm back again with another cooking video, okay? And this time we are going to be making a very delicious yet versatile sauce that you can have with your variety of, carbohydrates, okay? You can have this with spaghetti, with your boiled white rice, yam, sweet potatoes, couscous, anything at all that you love to have with sauce, okay? So stick around and let's just get started, okay? So in this what we're going to be needing is some tomatoes, some red bell peppers, some hot pepper, garlic, and fresh ginger, onions all blended together, okay? And on my stove, I have already heat up my oil with some bay leaves in it. And I'm going in with some cooked beef that I already prepared off camera on the side, okay? So I'm just going to brown this beef for a bit, just golden brown, okay? So that I can also add it in the sauce later on as we go. So we have our beef in the pan, as you can see. It's looking really nice, and you can look at that sizzling oil. And I went in with some cumin powder for a little bit more flavor, okay? I love me some flavor. There's no food without flavor, okay? I don't like my food, tasting blank. Before you put it in your mouth, you already, perceiving something. Even when you're not ready to eat, you don't feel like eating, it will command you to eat, okay? So our beef is looking nice and golden brown, just the way I wanted it, okay? So I'm just taking that out of the oil so that we can proceed, okay? Took that out, and I'm going to go in with some chopped onions, okay? I already chopped some onions down, so I'm just going to fry that in the oil together for some more. I'm just building up flavor here right now, okay? We are just building up flavor. So we're going to fry this onion for a little bit, for 3 to 4 minutes, okay? Allow that to fry very, very, very well to incorporate in the to bring out the flavor in the oil, okay? So it's we fry it for a little bit, and then the next thing is to go in with our blended tomatoes, red bell peppers, hot pepper, garlic and ginger. I roughly blended, okay? I didn't blend it to a smooth paste. I roughly blended that. And I'm just seasoning my sauce with some salt, some curry powder, some mixed herbs, some cumin powder, some seasoning cubes, and I'm just gonna mix that. Just stir it very, very well to make sure everything incorporates well. And I went in with my beef because I want the sauce to still infuse into the beef, okay? And I wanted the beef to, to cook some more. So I like having my beef really soft, okay? So it's easy for, for someone to, chew. All right, so I have cooked down. At this point, I've cooked down my sauce to, you know, remove some excess liquid, okay? As you can see, our sauce is looking nice and delicious already. Hey, don't even get me started, okay? So now I'm just going in with some diced carrots, okay? I diced some carrots with some, cabbage and both purple and white cabbage. But I'm going in with the carrots first because, of course, because the carrot takes time, to cook before, you know, the cabbage. The cabbage cooks faster, okay? So that's why I went in with my carrots and just cooked my carrots for 2 minutes, all right? Not more than 2 minutes because you don't want to overcook your veggies, all right? So I let that cook for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to be going in with my cabbage, okay? With my chopped cabbage. As you can see, it's looking so nice. The purple cabbage is, I just love this purple cabbage, okay? The color looks so good, and it's packed with nutrients as well. So there you are. We have our cabbage in the sauce. Just gonna mix that in very, very well. Look at our sauce. It's coming along so nice. Oh my God, you guys. I'm already salivating, even looking at this like this, making this voiceover. It's just is, even after having it, I'm just feeling like, oh, I want to have some of this because it was that good. Okay. It is that good. So for more veggies, I added in some broccoli. Okay. I would have added some bell peppers, okay, both the green, the yellow bell peppers. I would have added in, but I don't that inside, but I don't have that. So I just made use of the veggies that I have. But you can add any variety of vegetables that you like, okay? It goes really well. And I added in some, sliced onion rings, as you can see. I just wanted some more onions in this sauce, okay? And I'm just gonna cook it for a minute, not too much, because we don't want to overcook. Again, we don't want to overcook your vegetables. It's very, very important not to overcook your veggies. Otherwise, you'll be killing all the nutrients in the veggies, okay? You don't need to overcook your veggies. And then I also have some boiled eggs. I'm just gonna add that in for added protein, of course. Since I'm using, beef, so I thought why not add some, boiled eggs as well. So that's why you see the eggs, hence the eggs. But if those of you who don't care for eggs, you can skip this part. But the eggs are, added boost to, for protein. Okay, if you need more protein in your meal, you should add that. I highly encourage you. And mind you, this sauce you can also use chicken if you don't like to use beef. Optionally, you can use your chicken or you can use your turkey. Just use your protein of choice, okay? But for me, I just decided to use beef in this one. It tastes really nice with chicken as well, okay? So please feel free to use any protein of your choice. It's not restricted, okay? So here our sauce is looking super, 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 super delicious. Super delicious. Oh my God. Look at that sauce. So this sauce, you can have it, like I said earlier, you can have it with anything, like anything, okay? Anything any kind of carbs that you would like to have, or anything you like to have with your sauce, you can have this and it tastes so good. It goes so good. That's the good thing about it. All right, but I served mine with some spaghetti and it tasted super, super delicious. It was perfect, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking around till this point. If you did, kindly like, share, and comment on the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, okay? And for those of you who are just coming across this channel for the first time, what are you waiting for? If you want more videos such as this, kindly subscribe to the channel and check out other videos on this channel, okay? And this is it. We have come up to the end of this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. All right, take good care, you guys out there. As always, I love you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.